In this video, we will be showing you how to search for clinical trials using the Duchenne Map. First, you would go to duchennemap.org. You will arrive at the front page, and then you can click on Login. In this case, I will be logging in with my personal account. Once you do that, you will arrive at the page of your profile, and you will click on Duchenne Map to arrive on the front page. Then you will scroll down, and here you can see the clinical trial sites. You will click on this. A new page will open where you can see the different filters of the Duchenne Map. Under clinical trials, you can see three filters. First, ambulation status, use of corticosteroids, and age range. I will be choosing randomly some filters. Once you click on Show Clinical Trials, a new dialog box will open, asking you to contact the PI of the clinical trial to assure that there is no additional eligibility criteria. Once you have agreed on other terms, you can click on Continue. Now the map will be showing you all the recruiting clinical trials according to your eligibility criteria. For this example, I will be searching in France. So, Hôpital Armand Trousseau. You will click on Read More. This will open a new page where you can see the name of the institution holding the trial, the name of the principal investigator and the phone number, as well as the recruiting clinical trial. If you click on the arrow next to the trial, you will be automatically transferred to clinicaltrials.gov, where you can see the details of the clinical trial of your choice. And this is how you search for the clinical trial using the filter function in Duchenne Map.